is a typo on this test. It says to calculate the distance, but the answer blank said area equals, which is why when I passed these tests out, I said change area to distance, or D equals. So these should, answer blanks at the bottom, have been changed to D equals. So I'm finding the distance between these 2 points. Again, looking for a larger explanation, you should have just watched the review video to see why the calculation is this. So the distance is the square root of, well, the distance between 15 and 42 is 27. And then the distance between 37 and 73 is 36. So D ends up being the square root of 27 squared plus 36 squared, which is 2025. That would be a nasty radical to try to reduce, except that it happens to be a perfect square. So the square root of 2025 is 45. In this case, the distance is the square root of, well, the distance between -3 and 10 is 13. The distance between 12 and -2 is 14. So it ends up being the square root of 13 squared plus 14 squared is 365. And if you look at 365 for just a little bit, you start to realize that there is no perfect square other than 1 that's a factor of that. 365 is divisible by 5, but it'd be 5 times 73. 5's not a perfect square, 73 is not a perfect square, and 73 is prime, so there's no way to break that down anymore. So it ends up just being the square root of 365 for my final answer.